Champs. Term Book. Class 3rd. 3rd Term. Social Studies. Chapter 3. Our Environment. Our environment is a complex system that includes both thriving natural habitats and the challenges posed by human activity. Natural ecosystems. These represent the healthy, balanced parts of our world. Wild animals living in their natural forests and fish swimming in clean ponds are vital components of a healthy ecosystem. Environmental challenges. Human actions can negatively impact these natural spaces. The presence of open garbage and industrial factory pollution directly harms our air, water, land, and overall ecosystems. Summary. The environment encompasses both the natural world where wildlife and aquatic life thrive, and the areas affected by pollution from human activity. Protecting our planet requires a commitment to conservation and more sustainable practices to ensure these ecosystems remain healthy for the future. Land pollution. Land pollution is the degradation of the Earth's surface caused by the accumulation of solid and liquid waste, chemicals, and other materials. Primary causes. It arises from human activities such as improper waste disposal, industrial processes, intensive agriculture, and mining. Major effects. This pollution leads to severe soil degradation, groundwater contamination, harm to wildlife, and significant risks to human health. The solution. Addressing land pollution requires a transition toward sustainable waste management and the adoption of more responsible human practices. Understanding air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, or biological agent that modifies the natural characteristics of the atmosphere. Key drivers: industrial emissions, large-scale release of pollutants from factories. Power generation, energy production processes that discharge harmful substances. Transportation, exhaust fumes from vehicles on roads. Waste burning and deforestation, practices that release trapped carbon and particulate matter. Major consequences: human health, significant risks including respiratory illnesses and heart disease. Environmental damage, negative impacts such as acid rain, damage to vegetation, and the acceleration of global warming. Atmospheric changes, the formation of smog and haze that degrade air quality. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, such as chemicals, waste, or microorganisms, contaminate water bodies, degrading their quality and making them toxic to the environment and human health. Major causes: industrial waste. Factories discharge toxic chemicals and heavy metals directly into water sources. Agricultural runoff. Pesticides and fertilizers from farms wash into rivers and lakes after rainfall. Plastic and trash. Improper disposal of solid waste results in plastic and debris accumulating in waterways. Sewage and wastewater. Untreated waste from households is often released into the water supply. Harmful effects: ecosystem damage. Pollution harms fish, wildlife, and natural habitats. Disease spread. Contaminated water spreads waterborne illnesses like cholera and typhoid. Contaminated drinking water. Vital sources of human drinking water become polluted and unsafe. Bioaccumulation. Toxins move up the food chain, accumulating in aquatic life. Sound pollution, noise. Overview. Sound pollution is the presence of harmful or unwanted sounds in the environment. Primary sources: transportation, traffic, airplanes, trains, construction activities, heavy machinery, drilling, and industrial, urban operations, factories, sirens. Human impacts can lead to hearing damage, tinnitus, hearing loss, and psychological, physical stress, sleep deprivation, fatigue, irritability. Environmental impacts disrupts wildlife communication, navigation, and mating behaviors. Mitigation: urban planning, sound barriers, green belts, regulatory measures, noise ordinances, quieter technology, and the use of personal protective gear.